In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the factor of safety against downstream heave for the sheet piles. The question states that the figure below shows a single row of sheet piles driven into the clay layer. Calculate the factor of safety against downstream heave given that the saturated unit weight for the clay layer is equal to 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube and the thickness of the permeable layer is equal to 12 meter. First, we will see what we have been given in the question. Thickness of the clay layer is equal to T is equal to 12 meter. Upstream water depth is equal to 8 meter. Downstream water depth is equal to 2.5 meter. Depth of embedment of sheet pile is equal to 4 meter. Saturated unit weight of clay is equal to 18.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Submerged unit weight of clay is given as saturated unit weight minus unit weight of water, which is equal to 18.5 minus 9.81, which is equal to 8.69 kilonewton per meter cube. We will use two methods to solve this question. The first method is based on flow net, and in this case the factor of safety against downstream heave is given as Fs is equal to D into gamma dash divided by C into gamma W into H1 minus H2, where C is a function of D by T, where D is the depth of embedment of the sheet pile into the soil and T is the thickness of the soil layer. The values of C against D by T are shown in the table below. In our case, the value of D by T is equal to 4 divided by 12, which is equal to 0.33. From interpolation from the table, we find that the value of C is equal to 0.357. Putting values, the factor of safety against heave is given as 4 into 8.69 divided by 0.357 into 9.81 into 8 minus 2.5, which is equal to 1.81. This gives the factor of safety against heaving in case of sheet piles. There is also a second method to find the factor of safety for the sheet piles, and this method is an empirical method. In this case, we will first find the maximum exit gradient at the downstream end of the sheet pile. So the maximum exit gradient at the downstream end is given as Imax is equal to H1 minus H2 divided by pi into D. Putting values, we get the maximum exit gradient at the downstream equal to 0.4377. The critical hydraulic gradient in the soil is given as gamma dash divided by gamma W. Putting values, we get the critical hydraulic gradient equal to 0.8858. So the factor of safety against downstream heave is given as Fs is equal to I critical divided by I max. Putting the values in the above equation, we get the factor of safety equal to 2.02, which is slightly more than the value obtained from the method first. This is because this method is an empirical method, while the method first is more accurate and is based on the flow net. So these are the two methods to find the factor of safety for sheet pile against downstream heaving. Hope you guys learned from this video, and if you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.